Alam mo itong eksena talaga, laging talaga may ano pa importante. Mandak. Hello mga Veklas! For today's video, another day, another gala na naman together with Disney Princess. Maaga nga akong sinundo ng mga kumare kong expired dahil ang amats nila ay mag-nature trip. Kaya naman for today's video, mag-shoes ka na at tara, samahan nyo kami magliwaliw, rumampa, o mempa, kumandirit, umispit sa Blue Rock. Let's go! Hopped on a tricycle, squeezing side by side. Hindi nga kakayanin ng sasakyan ang maputik at malubak na daan. Kaya naman dito na kami sa Anginan Toda Terminal sumakay ng tricycle papuntang Blue Rock. At buti na lang gwapo tong si kuyang driver. Parang pangarap ko na lang din maging tricycle. Go kuya, ikambyo mo na! Every shake and every bump just made the moment work. The trip was wild, but we didn't care. Shoes weren't messing up our hair, 'cause when you're with your friends, everything feels right. Blue Rock ahead, shining in the light, tired but happy. Yeah, the journey's worth the fight. The ride was long, my body felt so tired. Ito na pala, but the laughter of my friends kept my spirit fire. Every splash of mud, every turn that made us sway. And finally mga Vekla, nandito na kami sa Blue. And grabe ang biyahe, sobrang nakakahagor. Ba't na ako ng sinulid dyan Stes kasi yung tasting ko na ala. Check ko lang kung kompleto pa yung katawan nyo, ha? Nangyari sa'yo, sis. Ang fresh mo kanina, nangyari. The trip was wild, but we didn't care. Mud on our shoes, one messing up our hair. 'Cause when you're with your friends, everything feels right. Blue Rock ahead, shining in the light, tired but happy. Yeah. And finally mga misis, nandito na kami sa Blue Rock. After na nakakapagod na biyahe, tara natin mag-relax dito sa Blue Rock. Pagkarating nga namin ay prepare na namin itong mga baon namin pagkain. Ang bongga, di ba? 5 lang kami pero pang piyesta itong mga baon namin, nakakaloka. Balak ata ng mga Disney princess magpakain ng mga lalaki sa Blue Rock. Wow! Hindi pala nature trip ang hanap ng mga akala. Gusto ata mag-feeding program. Cheers! No time to waste. Virtue with my people, always my favorite place. Hopped on a tricycle, squeezing side by side, laughing at the bumpy, crazy, muddy little ride. Hindi pa nga kami nakakakain pero itong mga kaibigan ko parang busog na. Paano ba naman siniging sipat sa mga kalalakihan na naliligo? Hala sis, sige na. Mamili na kayo ng aura. Charet! Just made the moment worth. Oh, the trip was wild, but we didn't care. Shoes weren't messing up. After nga namin kumain mga akla, ito na, ready na kami mag-swimming and of course mag-sightseeing ng mga kalalakihan sa Blue Rock. Kaya naman, let's go! Tired but happy, yeah, the journey's worth the fight. Early in the morning, we're ready for the day. Backpacks on our shoulders, we're on our merry way. Laughter in the air, sunshine on our skin. I say to myself, I'm lucky to have friends like them.
and every step just feels so light. Stories and jokes make everything bright. Under the sky, problems fade away. Anywhere we go, together we'll stay. Let's chase the view. Trees and rivers, laughter everywhere. Pictures here, moments there, memories we share. But beyond the scenery, the real treasure's clear. It's the bond we have, the ones I hold so dear. When the rain came